Mapusa Additional Sessions Court has rejected the bail applications of businessmen Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra, who are accused in Birch by Romeo Lane Nightclub fire case, which claimed the lives of 25 people. The court, while rejecting the bail applications of Luthra brothers, has observed that granting bail at this juncture would undermine public confidence given the significant loss of life. The Mapusa court agreed with the contentions of the prosecution that the nightclub allegedly operated without a mandatory no-objection certificate from the fire department. The court further observed that the upper deck featured a roof made of highly combustible material like dry grass and bamboo, while the basement kitchen, where 20 employees died, had no secondary exit, and Luthra brothers and his partners permitted indoor pyrotechnic fireworks during belly dance performances despite these dangerous conditions. The court has also noted that a new case has been registered against Luthra brothers for alleged forgery of documents to obtain trade and excise licenses by using a house number from a different property. The court in the order has emphasized that the investigation is at a crucial and sensitive stage, with the Enforcement Directorate also examining the case. The court concluded that granting bail at this juncture would undermine public confidence given the significant loss of lives and the alleged disregard for public safety. The court has finally denied the bail pleas of Luthra brothers, citing the gravity of the offense and Luthra's position of authority or control over the establishment. The court noted that their status as owners and decision makers placed him on a different footing than subordinate staffs who had previously been granted bail. Luthras have been in judicial custody since December 29, 2025. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.